We all know that finding the perfect investment property can be a challenge, especially when you're looking for those hidden gems priced below market value. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks for uncovering the best discounted houses for sale. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Tip number 3, off-market properties. As an investor, you need to stay ahead of the competition, and that means finding off-market properties before they're listed for sale. Network with local real estate agents, attorneys, and other industry professionals to get the inside scoop on upcoming listings. You can also use direct mail campaigns or cold calling to connect with homeowners who may be considering selling their property at a discount. Tip number 4, distressed properties. Distressed properties, such as fixer-uppers or homes with code violations, can offer significant discounts for investors willing to put in the work. Drive around your target neighborhoods and look for signs of neglect, like overgrown yards or boarded-up windows. Reach out to the owners of these properties to see if they're interested in selling at a reduced price. Tip number 5, online auctions. Online real estate auctions can be a goldmine for investors searching for discounted houses for sale. Websites like auction.com or Hubzu offer a wide range of properties, from foreclosures to bank-owned homes. Just remember to do your due diligence and research the property thoroughly before placing a bid. There you have it, folks. These 5 tips will help you find the best discounted houses for sale and maximize your investment potential. Remember, success in real estate investing is all about persistence, networking, and acting fast when you find the right opportunity. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content like this. Have any questions or tips of your own? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing.